Make it to landing station.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We are now proceeding towards NAIA Terminal 3 for your proper and safe disembarkation. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Hill and First Officer Conanan, together with the rest of your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was indeed a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo at hintay mawala ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng mga palikuran sa sandaling ito ay mahigpit na pinakbabawal. For our guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pockets and be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. May we also ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bin near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po naming pinalahanan ng lahat na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mayari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Sa muli kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong patuloy na pagtangkilik at pagsakay sa Cebu Pacific Air. Magandang hapon.